Hey there. In this video, we'll show you how to know if someone has restricted you on Instagram. Being restricted means that the person has limited your access to their content and communication on the platform. But don't worry. We'll walk you through some simple steps to find out if you've been restricted. First, leave a comment on the person's post and ask a friend to look for your comment between the other comments. If your comment is not visible, it could mean that you've been restricted by the person. Another way to check if you've been restricted is to look at the person's activity status. If you've exchanged direct messages with the person in the past, look for their activity status in your inbox. As long as you haven't disabled your own activity status, you'll see a green dot or a timestamp next to the profile photo of each person who also has activity status enabled. If you know the person you're worried about is active online right now, and you both have activity status enabled, but you don't see any activity from them, they may have restricted your account. Finally, you can also send a direct message to the person. If someone reads your DMs on Instagram, you'll see the seen status in your inbox. However, if a person has you restricted, you'll never see if or when they've opened your message. If you send a DM and it remains unseen indefinitely, there's a chance that you might be restricted. It's important to keep in mind that being restricted on Instagram doesn't necessarily mean that the person has blocked you. They may have simply limited your access to their content and communication on the platform. By following these simple steps, you can determine if you've been restricted on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.